Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about a very special art form. It's called Varli painting, which is come from the tribal region in Maharashtra, which is situated in India. This form of art is famous for telling story with the help of the just simple shapes like circle, triangle, and lines. To start, I will show you an example of the Varli painting. In this painting, artist had a use only circle, triangle to draw the pupil dancing, as well as we also can create through these shapes dancing figure, cooking, playing music again to draw a brown background. So let's take your paper and pencil to draw the whirly figure. For draw, first we will start the drawing through the stick figure. I will show you in a minute. Stick figure, couple joining by two triangles at the tip like this. Create a circle on the top for the head. Create a hand drawing for the position through the lines like this. As well as we also can create the tree through the simple shape, simple line, create a small lines in it, and you can create a tree. It will convert into a tree drawing. So now when you will complete your drawing, you have to show me. Yes, you have to show me your drawing. Well done. Fantastic. बहुत बढ़िया बनाया है. Now you have to practice the basic shape of the Wali art. Now you have to practice the basic shape to create your own a day in a life village scene. Start by doing the border. Draw. You have to draw dash line, dash line, or you may create the dot line. Wait for a few minutes. I will show you how can you create dot line or through the zigzag line. I tell you we can create like this, but we have to select only one pattern. As uh, if you are taking the dash line, you have to create the border both side in a dash. Okay, if you are selecting the dots line, you have to create the dots line around the fourth side. Or if you are taking the triangle shape, as in this painting I have shown the triangle lines or the border created through the triangle lines. So as you can present your work. So through this lines or dash lines or dot line. You can uh, create your painting beautifully. It will gives your frame to beautiful look. Then we can we can create sun in the corner with sun in the corner through the ray lines, as well as you can create the heart in the corner. In the corner we can create one heart, two heart, three heart, four heart. That is it totally depend up to you. Okay. Or what we can add in this painting, tree. We also can create a cow, like animal, bird in this painting. Think about what the people are doing in the village. Think about it, what people in do village. Maybe they are doing planting, rice, cooking on a fire, fetching water from the well, or dancing together in a circle. So draw these activity in your drawing through the stick figure. Remember to keep each shape simple and arrange them so that they can tell the story clear. So they can clear a story. Now show your work. Yes, beautiful hut, but add detail like bird, sky, carrying pot. Yes, water carrying pot on a hat. Whatever you have to create in this drawing, the animals also draw it with the help of the simple shapes like triangle, lines. Okay, we have to use the rule. Now, now you have to tell me Wali painting come from Maharashtra. Very good. Use only which shapes? Circle, triangle, and lines. It's create on brown background with white paint. Very good. I want to tell you one more thing about the colors of the Warli painting. In old time, Warli artists made a color from the natural thing around them. They use rice paste, yes, rice paste mixed with water and gum to make a white color. The walls were created by the mud, yes, created mud, cow dung, and the red soil. Or a on a hanji, yes, to give a brown red background surface. Yes, they use a bamboo stick, chew at the end. जो एंड में एक स्टिक होती थी, जो हमारी जो बैम्बू स्टिक होती है उसको एंड से च्यू करके देन दे यूज फॉर एज अ ब्रश. It's make us softer. Yes. So that and to make us softer, they chew at the end, so it will give the like a softness to the brush, as like it will work as a brush. I hope you understand how the simple art can tell a big story. Now you have to create a worldly style bookmark or a greeting card by your imagination. So bye bye. Take care. Have fun.